then the last one, sana maging hit to. Sana hit siya. Sana hit ulit. Oh! What's up guys? So, may nagpadala sa akin from US.
Wow.
Ang aking pinsan na si JJ. Yan. First time ko makakuha ng isang buong box na Pokemon. US to guys ha. English card. So, ayan. First time ko rin nakakuha na Mega Kangaskhan EX box. So, ito yung may malaking card ng Kangaskhan EX. Yung maliit. Tapos may 4 na pack na Mega Evolution. So, bubuksan natin to ngayon. Let's go! So, ito na. May dalawa akong taga-bukas. Yay! Let's go. Sana swertihin. So, ito na yan, no?
Nice!
And may 4 siyang pack ng Pokemon na kasama. Siyempre, yung ating Mega Kangaskhan EX na card. Lagay natin siya mamaya sa sleeve. And then, siyempre, yung napakalaking Pokemon card na to. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ilalagay yung card na to. Kung paano ko i-sleeve. So, let's go. First pack Magic. Siyempre, una ako muna magbubukas. Tapos yung dalawa sa kanila. Tapos yung last pack sa akin. Sana hindi masira. The Pokemon code guys. Code. Tapos, tatago natin syempre yung unang card. Ganun naman, di ba? So, ang una nating card ay Psychic Energy. Ano natin yan? Execute. Giver. Kung siya di mga bago isa. Go ahead. Heliop tayo. Si Makuhita. Yung mga bago si Kopitali. Goldengo. Repel. Ninetales. Sino? 4 piece na Rev. Follow. Rare Candy. Ano to? And the last one is Rev Kyogre.
Ayaw, di ba?
So, wala. So, second pack natin is for Marcus na. Yay! Go, I'll open it first. Pokemon code. Yan, code. Last tago natin yung unang pack o ng card, then open. Darkness Energy.
Loni, Pagmay, Nasa, Iron Defender, Item, Sora, Charles, Lasri, Rev, ano to, Houndstone, Rev Raikou,
And last one is Kyogre na naman. Guys, Kyo.
Another one?
No hit para sa second pack. So third pack, si ano na, si ate.
This one.
Destined Rivals to guys ah. Yeah, Destined Rivals. Yung dalawa Mega Evolution.
Tupasok, Mega Evolution, Tupasok, Mega Evolution. Yeah, you open the Mega Evolution. Okay, so Pokemon card, Pokemon
Code card.
Again. Okay, I'll leave it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Water Energy. Game. Oh, open it.
Next is Team Rockets, Team Bot, Team Rockets, Starting Card, Team Rockets, Build, Team Rockets, Build 3, Energy Recycler, okay, and Marco, Team Rockets, Marco, First Squad, Ira, Mando, Pilava,
Hit
Team Rockets
incoming.
me out. Maganda siya.
Cute.
And then the last one, a hit!
Oh my
Oh
God.
no! It's a Team Rockets Persian EX! Oh, it's a hit! It's a big hit, guys. Team Rockets Persian EX. Let's go! This one. Then going to put this top loader. Tig! And then the last pack Magic again.
so Team Rockets, Grabe, first kung makuha ng Persian, so sana, naging magic na to.
Pokecore code card. Poke card code.
Ayaw, di ba?
And then the energy is metal.
So, Kangaskhan syempre, Kangaskhan, Drowsy, Cyndaquil, Subat, Team Rockets Subat, Uy, Team Rockets Energy, nice, and then Poison Z, Team Rockets Poison Z, Houndoom,
Come on.
and sa Red Fall,
And Sacred Dash.
Hit
And then the last
incoming.
one. Sana maging hit to. Sana hit siya. Sana hit ulit. Oh! Hey!
Oh
Hey!
my God.
It's a Team Rockets Mewtwo EX! Another big hit! Guys, 2 big hit. A Team Rocket Mewtwo EX and a Team Rockets Persian EX. It's a big hit. Thanks to JJ from the US for giving me the big pack of Mega Kangaskhan. This is a big hit, guys. this is a big hit.
Oh.
Subscribe my videos, my TikTok, my YouTube, and my Facebook para makita pa kayo mga videos na ganito. Hey! Subscribe!
Bye!